Hello everyone, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an everyday makeup look for mature and textured skin. I already moisturized my skin using the Aveeno Ultra Calming Nourishing Night Cream. I do use it in the daytime as well. And then I just followed up with L'Oreal Paris's True Match LUMI GLOTION. I know that people say that textured skin should probably not use GLOTION, but I like the way it makes my skin look. Next, I'm going to put on some concealer over my eyelids. It's the Maybelline New York concealer in the color Sand Sable. I did not feel like using a primer, so I just went ahead with the concealer. Now on to what is becoming my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the KKW Beauty eyeshadow palette in Classic. And I'm going to use this cream color as the base for my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use this peachy rusty tone, and I'm going to put it on my mobile lid only. And I'm going to make sure that at the top of the mobile lid, I create like a half moon shape. Because my eyes are very flat already and very narrow, and I have those hooded eyelids, I want to make sure that I create a bit of a round effect at the top as opposed to keeping it straight, where it would make it look more flat. Just a little side note, because I'm by the window and either the sun is blasting through or a cloud blows by, the look of my video changes quite often. So I just wanted to make you aware of that fact. Plus, I only have one ring light. Anyway, moving on. Next, I'm going to use this brown color and I'm going to apply that right above the rusty peachy tone just to give it a little more depth, but not to make it so dark. Next, I'm going to apply some dark brown eyeliner just to the outer corners of my eyes to give it a little bit of shape. The foundation that I'm going to be using is Maybelline New York's Dream Liquid Mousse with the airbrush finish. The color that I'm using is Natural Beige. Although I am an acne-prone skin and an oily skin, I do think that my face looks better when it has a bit of a satin matte finish as opposed to just being matte. Matte finishes make me look really dry and kind of, I personally think, emphasize the pimples. Normally, I use an under eye concealer that is closer to my skin color, but I've been watching a lot of videos where people use a much lighter color to highlight underneath their eyes, so I decided to give it a try, and I think it looks pretty good. You know I love my bronzer, so this is MAC bronzing powder. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of this one, the name of the color. The blush that I'm using today is by Tarte. It is Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Party. And I got this as a free sample from Sephora. As always, I'm using my Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in the color Nude. And I'm going to follow that up with a NYX Butter Gloss in the color Bit of Honey. Last but not least, I will be putting on CoverGirl Total Tease Mascara in the color Very Black. And finally, I am finished. This is my everyday makeup look for mature and textured skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope to see you at my next video. Bye!